Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the IPSXP Bike Headlight. I did a video about this light. I really like it a lot, but I did not do a waterproof test, so I wanted to do that now. I ride a lot, and I ride long rides, and occasionally I do get caught in a rainstorm. So having a weatherproof or weather-resistant bike headlight is very important to me. So this is the IPSXP, and it is passing my water test with flying colors. I am soaking this thing, and it is holding up fantastic. And I'm sure that if you are a rider similar to me, that having a weather-resistant, water-resistant bike headlight is important. So if you're looking at this IPSXP bike headlight, I hope you found this video helpful.